Hello everyone, today we have the Razorback FMA chassis. This was the top award for the design contest. It's a REV. It looks pretty cool, so we're gonna get this built up, and if you'd like to see more build and tune-up videos, please do subscribe. That would be much appreciated, and then stay till the end to see what we think of it. And there we have it, all completed. It looks pretty good. It should drive pretty well. We'll see, we'll test it out on the track. So stay tuned, and we'll get some videos of performance, and maybe in the future give it a little bit of a tune-up. Thanks for watching. Bye.